This is our cobot laser welding machine, automated, high-precision, and stable welding solutions. It supports a handheld welding gun, automatic welding head, or traditional MIG/TIG welding guns, and can also be equipped with laser cleaning head. With the Teach Pendant, a handheld device designed for robot control, you can program operations, adjust parameters, select your language, and modify laser output modes and so on, making customization simple and efficient. The robotic arm features an impressive reach of up to 910 mm, enabling it to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Equipped with 6 independently movable axes, the robot offers exceptional flexibility and precision. Its lightweight and compact design make it ideal for small or confined workspaces. It also equipped with collision warning function. This cobot laser welding machine features drag-and-drop programming and repeat positioning accuracy, making it simple to operate. With multi-sensor fusion technology, it boosts the robot's intelligence and enables advanced functions like drag-to-teach. This makes programming simpler, more user-friendly, and accessible for operators. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, the machine reduces the complexity of welding tasks. This offers 6 versatile light modes: round, figure 8, triangle, straight line, diamond, and more. With these options, it can easily adapt to various welding requirements, ensuring precision and flexibility for all your needs. These are demonstrations of the gas blowing and wire feeding control functions. When equipped with an automatic welding head, it can weld not only flat surfaces but also complex workpieces, including 3D shapes, curved surfaces, and parts with small angles. It is versatile and can be used across various industries such as electronics, food, logistics, education, and services, providing reliable welding solutions for a wide range of applications. It can also weld metal sheets and pipes with high automation, enabling efficient batch production, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. Finally, here's an interesting welding test to directly showcase the quality of our welds. After welding the rectangular piece, we pour pure water inside to see the results. As you can see, no water leaks out,